Hi everyone, so I'm doing the update on the Continental Ultra Sport 3rd generation. It's been about 500 kilometers since I installed them and since I been riding on them, and I just want to show you the tread pattern after 500 clicks. Let you see what I'm talking about. Basically, they show pretty like new, pretty much. I'm not noticing any difference after the 500 kilometers. No cracks, no issues, everything is good. I've been quite happy with them. I'm gonna link down a description, Amazon link, where I get a tiny bit of commission if you purchase them through my links. Over here, let's look at this side. And now let's take you at the back, okay? So this is the rear tire that takes more friction, whatever, abuse. And I'll let you see what I'm talking about. No issues whatsoever after 500 kilometers. Again, I'm quite happy with them. I'm gonna link a description here where you can get them and I get a tiny bit of commission. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.